You know, there's one overriding reason why anyone who is truly committed to creating a life they want should learn to build an online business. But let's go back a bit. Looking back, I was in a space where I was with people who were working hard towards replacing their own jobs with simple technology when it hit me. Anything that can be automated will be automated. Even as those words are repeated, I can feel it now. Anything that can be automated will be. I suddenly woke up to the fact it had been happening in my business area for years. Skilled professionals being cut and pasted or deleted from their roles. Now, for a while, I tried to suppress the implications, but when you try and bury emotions, you bury them alive and they keep coming back. It was suffocating. I couldn't breathe, and realized that either I wait for the inevitable or I find an answer. What would you do? I'm not the type to leave it to others to decide my future, and it was that realization and a video workshop that started my journey to build an online business. Now, the first reaction was one of doubt. I didn't think I could do it myself, thinking the internet world had passed me by, that the internet was for youngsters, but I couldn't have been more wrong. The deeper I got into the videos, the more they hit the spot, shining a light on how anyone can build an online business from scratch in easy steps, and my eyes were open. Yet it isn't how simple the steps are that turned me on and released the energy inside. It's the surging of ideas and huge possibilities that came out of each video. Ideas and opportunities opening up for people like you and me, normal people who are willing to work hard and commit to creating a life of our own. But don't take my word for it, experience them for yourself. Imagine a life where your successes and direction are yours to decide, knowing each is a step forward that you choose, because the next step is always the key. By the time I'd been through the workshops, my mind was clear. I had lost something along the way and wanted it back. The videos were the oxygen, breathing a new sense of purpose, exciting me and giving me back my drive. Isn't it about creating a life where we've choice and independence and decide the direction we go, and conquering that misguided feeling that technology was passing us by before putting it to work for ourselves to create something exciting? And most importantly, isn't it about taking control and building security to create the life we want? Now, the trainers and mentors that make up this team have achieved what I want to achieve. They were already leading the life I wanted, and they explained things easily in a way you can understand. They've been there and done it for others already, and witnessing the raft of support from their community of online business owners, I realized I'd be far from on my own in this. I thought, if I'm not doubting them and the value they provide, then it's really down to me. And you know, if you're truly committed to the process, you're ready to grow and willing to keep going no matter how long it takes to create the life you want, then success is the only possible outcome. If you'd like to see the options and possibilities, then you can by watching the free workshop series yourself. Right now, businesses across the planet are acting to bring forward their plans for automation. They have been shocked into making sure that when the next crisis happens, they'll never be hit in the same way again. And this is the one overriding reason anyone who is truly committed to building a life that they want should be building an online business. As individuals, we're discovering just how broken the old system really is for the majority of society. Now, millions of people across the planet have woken up and are changing the system and taking control of their future by choosing to put an end to their reliance on their current job or occupation and setting up their own online businesses. They're becoming self-reliant and and hugely independent in so many ways. And let's face it, there's never been a more important time to step up and take action. If you believe that you deserve the chance to build the life you want and want to learn how to do it too, then watch the videos. But before clicking on the link, be sure you're willing to accept responsibility for the success of your business, because that will be down to you. To request the free workshop series, just enter your name and email address in my website and I'll send the videos over myself. I hope they ignite you in the way that they did me, so that you're fired up to create the changes in your life that you always wanted. And I'll see you on the other side.